Hello. Welcome everyone to a new Rocket class. Today, we'll see how to install the tool on Windows. Remember that the tool is a cross-platform tool, so it can be installed on Windows, Mac, and Linux. And today we'll see how to install it on Windows. Alright, when we go to the Rocket website, we'll see a button to download it for free, and that takes us directly to the download button. When we click it, it will take us to the place where we'll find the different types of versions for each device. We'll see that there are versions for Mac, for Windows, and also for Linux. Alright, in the case of Windows, we're going to download the latest version. If we click, it will download a zip file for us. We'll wait for the tool to finish downloading. It might take a few seconds or maybe a minute or two, depending on each person's internet connection. Alright, once it's downloaded, we'll see this zip file. We'll go find it, and basically what we're going to do is right-click and extract it into a subfolder. Let's wait a few seconds for it to finish downloading, and then we'll do the following. Alright, once it's downloaded, we'll see this folder and we'll see, well, all these files inside the folder, and we'll go straight to the one for Rocket and double-click it. There, once we start it, it will open the terminal for us. Let's wait for the terminal to open. Once the terminal opens, we see that. Perfect. So, since it shows that we don't have the license activated, we go to this section. As we can see, here we'll have a token, which we'll copy using the button on the right, the red one. Let's copy it. The token is now copied to the clipboard, and we go to where it says, the link, where it says here or here. And in this section, in this form, we're going to fill it out with our information. Alright, here we'll enter our name, here we'll put renewal, we'll put new. The company, yes, if it applies to a company, you'll enter the company name, and if you don't have one, that's fine, you can put any name. Okay, for environment, we'll select that it's for development. Remember that if it's for production, you'll need to enter the purchase order here for production use, but in this case, since we're going to download the free license, we'll select development. Here you'll enter your email address. Since in this section, the email we provide is where the activation code will be sent. Therefore, make sure it's written correctly. For reference, we'll put license test. In this case, select the appropriate country, enter your phone number, and here we'll paste the token we copied earlier. We will now proceed to complete the security capture, and then, subsequently, we will submit the official license request and carefully send it through for processing. As you'll see, like I mentioned before, we'll automatically receive a license code. So, we'll wait for that activation license code to arrive in our email. This might only take a few seconds while we wait. Once that code arrives, we'll paste it here, and with that, we can validate the license. With that, the license will be validated. Here it arrives, and we're going to copy this entire code, paste it here, and validate. When we go to validate, notice the license is saved, right? It's saved correctly, and now we no longer see the message saying we don't have a license. So, Rocket is now active and ready to use for free. If we go to the license section, we'll see that we have a license. The section now tells us that we have a license and when it expires. Alright, I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you in the next class.